we're getting ready to do our first back-to-back kind of cruise. They delayed it one day, so we are going to go on today. Today is Friday, and we'll get off on Sunday. Thank you so much.
Let's go. Here waiting on that. We are here in Port Canaveral, and we just got off of MSC Seashore. So yeah,
this is our back-to-back.
We're excited to. Yeah, kind of. We had one day in between. It was unexpected, but it's going very. Actually, we needed that day so we could wash up some clothes. So it's very exciting. Shortly. We've been here before at this terminal. We were here when we sailed on Carnival Freedom, along with Sea Leg Journeys and SCT Adventures, yeah, and TNT Adventures at Sea.
Whoops.
Excuse me. Well, we're on our way to muster station to get that over with. Good morning. How long is this process? Total process?
Oh my gosh!
Waiting inside there and everything.
The waiting was the longest thing. I think a total of everything is.
And
like
we didn't
30
even
minutes.
wait an hour to board.
This is the quickest process I think we've ever had, and we didn't get faster to the phone or anything.
No, we're on in no time. It worked out perfectly.
Great.
Yes, we just booked this on Wednesday.
Is that a second one, or is that the same one you had? Do not tell, don't tell, do you? How you doing? Hi.
Welcome on board.
Thank you.
Hey, welcome. Good morning, my brother.
Thank you. Thank you. This is beautiful. Really improved too. Great buffet so far. Got me some roast beef, freshly cut off. They had some jambalaya. I just wanted the rice. They had some pepper steak. Got some mashed potatoes, and got a little piece of bread. And first time I've done this, but I got me some chicken noodle soup. I enjoy their chicken noodle soup. Of course, I had to get me another cup of coffee. Marsha, she's done ate most of it, but she got some yams. We got some glazed yams right there. Got our bowl of mashed potatoes, and looked like you got some chicken pot pie. Mm-hmm. Yep. Now, what else did you eat already? Just some
The beef.
The beef. Yep. That's what we're having so far, and it's just a little bit after 1:30.
Yes. Lido deck, deck 10, deck 11, deck 12. My name is Marty. I'm your cruise director. And who's excited to be on vacation? Let me hear you. Come on. Each and every one of you party with us. I've got to introduce the best entertainment team on the 7 Seas, so let's raise.
Open!
That's okay. We really enjoyed the ship so far. It's a very short cruise. I think I feel like it's so short that I feel like I'm trying to get everything in.
All right.
Do you feel like that?
Yeah, and we're sitting out here on deck right here.
and they
We're
have
watching
Super Mario.
Mario.
We were watching Super
Super
Mario
Mario
Bros.
Bros.
Yeah,
Are we gonna go get the massage taster?
might do that.
And then we're gonna go listen to music, right?
Oh, we're doing trivia or something.
It is a trivia. It's one hit.
Oh, one hit wonder trivia. Yeah, so we're gonna probably go do that. Probably get some film of that for you.
Marcia is normally in the
You can see how windy it feels. Great. It feels great outside
I
right
have
now.
jeans on. Okay, I'm on a cruise ship going to the Bahamas and I have jeans on.
There we go. That's our first song. Don't Worry, Be Happy by Bobby McFerrin. Let's jump ahead on the second one. Funky Town by Lips Incorporated. Yes, well done. The Funky Town Lips Incorporated.
I didn't get that. Beautiful shots never get old. Well, a little bit of sleep in my eye this morning. I'm going to tell you, go ahead, like, subscribe, check out our daily coffee talk. We come on 8 a.m. Eastern time, Monday through Friday. Well, we gotta grab one of these. It's day 2.
This is a light breakfast this morning.
Yep, very light breakfast. I'm gonna go get something here in a minute. So I got some ranchos here. And, had to go a little light today. I thought I would. A little bit. I did get some pork today. I've been trying to go without pork. Got some French toast, and you can see some eggs, potatoes, a little bit of syrup. Of course, I had to get a coffee. Already had some juice this morning, so yeah, I've already started eating on this one. So we'll work on 2 of these.
You have your choice of picks out here today. But we're at the Port of Nassau and we're just checking out this new port for the first time. We've been here while they've been working on it, but we haven't been here since they finished it. So we're excited about looking at that.
So we're going to eat at Gigi. Mongolian wok is served here. How are you doing?
Welcome.
So you can eat at either place, right?
Yes.
Yes,
No
for lunch.
problem.
For lunch.
Yes.
Yes.
Seated.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I got the Hawaiian pork. Really?
Combo. So it's got chicken. Should be some shrimp in here somewhere.
Somewhere. We decided to eat our dessert first this afternoon, and we are eating ice cream. We'll go to the main dining room.
Yeah. And then what are we doing after that? Maybe.
Casino.
We'll go to
The
ice cream.
tradition is eat ice cream before you go to the casino in case you need some luck.
Oh, that's great. I'll take pictures too. That looks Salmon.
Okay, this is butter pecan ice cream, but Chuck says it's butter pecan ice cream.
Butter pecan.
Butter pecan.
Is that a northern way of saying that, Chuck?
That is a Yankee way.
Is it?
Pecan is out. That's out.
And Kurt got
Cream.
creme brulee.
Yes.
Big time. That's my go-to move. Here we go.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.